subscribe to Nature's Tripper.
And hit the notification bell to get updated of the latest videos.
The channel is featuring
Gardening tips, organic farming, nature foods and health benefits, nature adventure, and anything goes about nature. Enjoy watching. Let's start cooking. Peel off the kernel from skin. We can use the skin as fertilizer for our plants. Wash thoroughly. Dip in water overnight, inside the refrigerator, to soften the buri kernel. After soaking, the size increased to 0.5 times. We will use just 3 ingredients: water, buri or Budjawi, and sugar. Heat the pan. Boil. Add a 1/4 cup sugar for this amount. Boil more to thicken sugar. Serve and enjoy.
Very delicious. So soft and slimy. Great snack.
What is Buli or Budjawi?
Watch this next clip from my first video on Buri Palm Tree.
Budjawi comes from Buri Palm Tree. Buri Palm Tree, scientific name, Corypha, is the biggest variety of palm tree in the Philippines. Considered the tree of life because all of its parts are used. It gives livelihood to the people. The young leaves are harvested by expert climbers to the average of 40 meters tree. Sun-dried for about 2 days and stripped for about 5 to 10 millimeters in diameter to produce buntal fibers. The commercial dye is applied by cooking the desired color together with the buntal fibers. The buntal fibers are then ready to be knotted 1 to 2 days after application. The fibers are made into artwork such hats, fans, bags. The finished products from the buntal fibers are in demand in both local and international market. The midrib can be used into shoes, stick broom, or for weaving. It produces a fermented drink tuba, alcohol, vinegar, syrup, and sugar. The trunk yields large quantities of starch. The fruit of the buri tree is a cheap source of food and a good source of starch. It is served as snack and is ready to eat. An average tree would yield up to 8 to 10 vans of fruits. Buri palm medicinal uses are for aging, brain disease, cancer, cyanide poisoning, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, malaria, metabolic disorders, vitamin A, and weight loss.
When did you last eat Budjawi? Feel free to comment down below.
Why this fruit is rare. Buri tree would flower only once in its very long lifespan, and that it meant it was going to die soon after, because century plant or buri bears only fruit after 60 to 100 years. After bearing fruit, it will simply die and rot away for years until it was reduced to pulp, and so would not pose a hazard to structures nearby. Why we should live like buri tree.
Buri palm tree gives its life for multiple use for years, standing tall with high dignity. And when its end is near, its usefulness doesn't end there. It gives it last flowers to bear fruits in order to spring new life before it says goodbye.
Thank you for watching.